everyone, it's Kimmy and welcome to my channel. I made like a little bun on the top of my head and I don't think anybody could barely see it, like it's covering a wall. So for today's video, I ended up getting my first Boxycharm. I finally gave in and decided to order one. And this is it right here. I think this is like the standard one because I know there's like the deluxe one. And I wanted to start off with something cheap. So I got the standard one to show. They send you 5 full-size products. And it's my first one and I want to see, you know, I want to be surprised and see what they gave me. I usually don't be buying makeup too much, honestly. I feel like I make 2 big purchases during the whole year. So I thought it'd be cool getting something like this so I could see like what new products are out there, if there's something I haven't tried yet. I've seen a lot of YouTubers reviewing these Boxycharm boxes and most of the time I see like mixed reviews on them. So that's why I kind of wanted to experience myself one and I decided to get the subscription and test it out. It's not my first time with these makeup subscriptions because a few years ago I used to have one from Ipsy where they would send you like sample sizes. They will send you 5 sample sizes for like $9.99 a month and they came in these cute little bags, but afterwards just the stuff they would send me wasn't it for me anymore. I feel like they were so like useless and I wasn't using them or I didn't like what I was getting, so I ended up canceling it. So when I saw this and I found out they actually gave you like the full-size products, it made me try it more because, you know, full-size products. So for the standard box they give you 5 full-size products that are over like an 120 value and it's just $25 a month that I'm paying for this, so that's not that bad. I was like, it's a pretty good deal because you know how makeup be too, that like one makeup product is over like $25, so I thought this was totally worth it. I'm gonna be opening this right now and see. I got the little thing right there already to open it. Ooh, cute. So when you open it, it comes like this. It's super cute. It has like a little card here and I think these are the products in there. And then, oh okay, so the card just tells me like the products that I'm receiving and how much it is. So I'm gonna be telling you guys how much each product is worth. So the first thing I see here is the Tarte High Performance Naturals and it's micellar magic. I love micellar water. This is pretty dope actually. I don't think you guys can see like the letters there, but this is the packaging. The packaging is really cute and I'm so excited. I love micellar water. I usually use like the micellar water and then the cotton pads to remove my makeup most of the time rather than using I was gonna say a hand wipe. What the heck is wrong with me? I feel like taking off your makeup with makeup wipes, you're just using more makeup wipes. I feel like when you use micellar water to take off your makeup, I feel like it takes it off much faster and it also leaves your face more clean. So I really like micellar water, guys. It's my thing. So on the card it says that the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser, it goes for $18. So it's pretty good. The second item I see here is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. That was so hard to say. When I used to work at TJ Maxx, I used to see Glam Glow products coming in all the time. They would be like for face and then I think there was some makeup from Glam Glow, but I never bothered buying one single product from Glam Glow. I am pretty excited though that I get to, you know, try it out, and I do need a recovery mask because my face lately has been such a mess and I need all the help in the world. That's why I actually did my makeup for the video. I did like a simple look because my face with all this makeup off looks horrible. So on the card it says that the Glam Glow face mask goes for $49. That's crazy. This little thing, $49. I think it's crazy the fact that I already basically got my money back from what I bought in the box, like the $25. This is $49. I can't wait to try this out. I hope this helps my face or something. And so the next thing I see here, this is the Pretty Vulgar, but what is this? It's eyeshadow primer. It looks like this. I thought this was lip gloss for a second. It looks like lip gloss. And the packaging is really cute. This is good because I don't have eyeshadow primer, which is why I barely do eyeshadow. I do have eyeshadow on today though, but I barely do it because I don't have eyeshadow primer. So yeah. So it says that the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer goes for $22. This little thing for $22. I think I'm realizing more why I don't buy makeup as often as I would want to, because I'm remembering now like the prices for everything, and it makes me think like this is exactly why like everything is so expensive. I'm excited to definitely excited to try this and see how it turns out. And yeah, we'll go on to the next item. So the next thing is the Hank and Henry Slick With It. Okay, so this is a longwear liquid eyeliner and it's in the color Blickety Black. And I've never heard of this brand before, honestly. I wonder if this is good. On the card it says that the Hank and Henry Blickety Black eyeliner goes for $17. If I had to guess how much this was, I would pretty much say it was like $15–17. I've really never heard of this brand before, so if you guys have heard of this brand, let me know in the comment section, which is not below anymore. Did you guys see how YouTube put the comment section up? You know how confused I am and I keep going below to look at the comments and it's all the way in the top? Are you guys having the same struggle as me? Let me know in the comment section. The last thing I got, I got this Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I've never heard of this. Let me open it up and wow, you guys, this is so beautiful. I love eye palettes that have like a variety of colors like this. Like you have your naturals and then you have some pop colors. I think this is so beautiful. I need to swatch a couple colors. Let me see. Let me swatch the pink one and see. I feel like you guys could barely see it, but it's like a nice sheer pink. It's not like thing. Let me try another one. Let me try the Plumberry. This like purple one right there. That's cute. I'm gonna try the emerald one. This looks really cute too. It's kind of sheer as well, but I like it. Sometimes, you know, I don't like my eyeshadows, especially like these glittery ones, to be so pigmented. I want to see if one of the matte colors are pigmented. Let me go with Terracotta. It's like that orange one right there. So this is the orange one. It's pretty nice. I feel like these ones show either way. It's not going to be like completely sheer where you can't see anything. I like this palette and I like the variety of colors it has. This is really cute. I can't wait to play around with it and see. I love the colors on this so much. So when I look on the card, it says that this palette, $29. I've never heard of this brand either. So again, if you guys have heard of this brand, let me know in the comment section below. Honestly, I would think this would be a little less, probably like $20–25, but it's around that same range either way, so I guess it's okay. I like that this is a palette that has a variety of colors, so it has like your naturals and then some of your pop colors too, so I think it's really cute. So for my first box, I think this is pretty cute. I like it. I think I will continue paying the $25. If you're someone who's like, you know, trying to get into makeup, learn more about makeup, or if you're someone like me who doesn't like, you know, shopping for makeup often, I think this is cute because you get a variety of things. I feel like it gives you a variety of brands that, you know, that you don't know, because there's a couple of these I didn't know existed. I think those are like the only two, the Glam Glow and the Tarte. Other than that, I don't think I've ever heard like of this before. I think this is pretty good and I'm excited to see what comes for the next month, for the month of June. If you guys can afford the $25 a month, I don't think it's that bad if you're gonna get full-size products. The fact that this was just $49 coming in a $25 box is not that bad. If you guys are interested, go to Boxycharm.com. I got the standard one. I know you can upgrade. There's like the premium and then the deluxe, but I wanted to start with something simple, and I don't think I need to really be upgrading. As long as I get my 5 full-size products, I'm fine. I don't need more than that. If Boxycharm does want to send me free Boxycharm boxes, I will definitely be okay with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do want to see more videos of me opening my Boxycharms as they come each month, let me know in the comment section. I don't want to bore you guys if you're not interested with this kind of stuff with the Boxycharm, like reviewing and unboxing, so let me know if you are interested and I'll keep doing them monthly. But that's all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe because you know you want to. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, staying coronavirus free, and that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.